didn't see my video about the Vader Solutions Vader Clip, I am doing the giveaway here now live on this video. Now the Vader Clip is a billet piece, very strong magnets that hold on your car. Now this is not going to be available for the M5, but it's going to be available for the E90X. So if you have any of the 3 Series BMWs, of course, you would be able to use this Vader Clip. Now the contest is going to be very simple. All you're going to need to do is make sure to head over to my Instagram page. So I'll put the link down in the description box below. Very simple to find me though. It's BMW Fanatic _ YouTube. But to win it, you're going to need to go in the comments section below. And all of us N54, N55, or even BMW owners, we always have something to say. So leave something funny as far as, you know, the crap that we say with our BMWs. Down in the comment section below, highest liked comment will win, but you're gonna also need to message me the comment, the same comment that you use, because I'm gonna be able to send it to you via Instagram. So I'll need to get your address over there so I can mail it to you. Very simple. Let it go until Sunday. We'll see the winner from that perspective. But if you guys haven't seen just my quick little DIY of putting the Vader Clip in my 3 Series BMW, check out the link above. Let me know if you have any questions, and this is gonna be US only, by the way, US only, just due to shipping and all that kind of stuff. All right, best of luck to you guys, and looking forward to chatting with the winner here shortly. Be sure to check out the other videos that I have here on the channel, of course, for the 335 out there, and of course, the M5 here. Hopefully everyone has a great start to the weekend, and chat with you later. Take care.